Hi friends, in today's lecture, we would study how to use the DGET function in Microsoft Excel. Let's assume that you are working for a television showroom and the clients ask you for various models of television and their prices for various sizes. So here I have created a table in which on the left side I have the different models of the television, and in the column headings, I have the different sizes of those television models. And at the junction, I have the pricing for each. Now I want to pick up a specific model and a specific size, and I want to be able to find out the price for that particular model. So let me show you how you can achieve the same with the help of the DGET function. So first we go into a blank area in our sheet and we will create a data list over here. So in order to create the list, we click on the data, we go into data tools and we select data validation. Here we select list. From the list, we then specify the source. In the source, we specify all the models of the TV and then we click on OK. So now here you have a drop down and you can select any model of TV which the customer prefers. Now over here I want to create another validation where it should be able to show me the different sizes of the television. So again I click on the data, I go into the data tools and from here I select data validation. In data validation I select list and for the source I specify this. Then I click on OK and now I get a drop down which shows me the different sizes of the television. Now for this model of television and this particular size, what is the price? And that I can find it out only using the DGET function of Microsoft Excel. In order to use the DGET function, what we'll do is we'll type equal to DGET. After typing DGET and giving an open parenthesis, you can see that there are three parameters. The first parameter is the database. So I highlight the entire database like this, comma. The second parameter is a field. So I click on the size like this. And the third parameter is the criteria. So I select the product and the model number. And then I close parenthesis and hit enter. So for the model whose name is Visual and the size is 50, the price is 31,432. Let's check for a different model. So I select Samsung and I select the size as 32 inches. So it is 14,712. Let's try for one more model. I select LG and the size I select is 43 inches. So for LG 43 inches, it is 23,996 and that's exactly the value which you get over here. So friends, this is how the DGET function of Microsoft Excel works. With this, we end this lecture. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.